Hello! Today, I would like to introduce you to our Beyond Document Line Transfer app. This app is designed to import or export document lines quickly and easily from foreign system to Business Central and vice versa. You can import or export the document lines as a TXT or CSV file. Let's start. The app supports line transfers for purchase lines, sales lines, and service worksheet lines. You can define which data should be transferred by adding the information to the setup card. Let's take a closer look how that works in Business Central. We start with creating a new document line transfer. On the document line transfer card, we are able to customize the export file to our needs. Like most setup cards, we need a code and a description to distinguish the document line transfers we created. The description is also used as the name of the transfer file. In the Type field, you can select the business area for which the document line transfer should be used. You can choose between purchase, sales, and service. In the Number field, you can select the business partner, vendor, or customer for which the document line transfer should be used. This also ensures that not all document line transfers are displayed during an export, but only the transfers set up for the corresponding business partner and the generally valid transfers. The Name field is automatically filled in by the system if you have filled in the Number field. The File format defines the file type you want to import or export. You can choose between TXT and CSV. In the Field Separator field, you can define the separator character that is used to separate the field values. In the Has Headline field, you can define whether a headline for the field values should be added to the transfer file. In the Columns tab, you can customize which information should be transferred. The column number defines which information is written first in the line records you want to transfer. Let's have a look how this works in a purchase order. First, we navigate to a purchase order of Fabricam. There are a couple of document lines we can export. Click on Document Line Transfer and choose Export. Let's take a look at the file. Here we have the CSV transfer file. As you can see, all the information is included. Your business partner can now take this transfer file and import the lines in his documents. Here we have a new sales order on your customer's system. We click on Document Line Transfer and choose Import. Then drag and drop the transfer file and the lines are added to the document. Beyond Document Line Transfer allows you to work faster and more efficient. Now, I will show you how you can import document lines when you got a CSV file from any system. We start with having a look at the file you got from your business partner. As we can see here, we have a number column, a description, the unit, ordered quantity, and the direct unit cost in our received CSV file. To import this data, we need to create a document line transfer. First, we navigate to the Document Line Transfers list. Then, we click on New in the menu to create a new document line transfer. We enter the code and a description. Choose the business area for the line transfer. Now we take a look at the file again. It's a CSV file, so we choose CSV in the File Type field. We also activate the checkbox for Has Headline, as the first line of our received transfer file contains headlines for the document lines. Next, we take a closer look at the structure of the file. The first column needs to be mapped to the Business Central field number, so we add that to the Columns tab. We proceed with more values like description, unit of measure, quantity, and direct unit cost. Once you have set up the transfer, you can import the CSV file by drag and drop. The document lines are then added to your document. Just download Beyond Document Line Transfer from App Source and start with a free trial to import or export document lines in Business Central. And if you are a Business Central partner, we're happy to welcome you as a reseller. We can also easily customize our app to your specific needs. This is Beyond IT.